Hello. Hi, Evan. Good evening to you. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah, can you hear me clearly?
yes,
Yes, okay. How are you today, Evan?
I'm okay.
You're okay? Have you eaten
Yes,
your dinner?
mm, uh, yes,
Yes, you seems not sure.
no, no, yes.
Yes, you have. What did you eat for dinner?
Samgyeopsal.
What
I
is
ate
it?
it. I
Okay.
ate samgyeopsal.
You ate samgyeopsal?
Yeah,
Wow, that's good. Did you eat outside or you stay home?
I stayed home.
You just stayed home? You ate samgyeopsal at home.
Yes,
That's good. Okay, that's good to know. How was your week so far, Evan? Was it good? Was it bad?
it was good.
It was good. Ooh, can you share me some things about your week?
I don't have anything to tell about it.
What about some bad news or any good news?
Bad news.
You have bad news? What is it? I want to hear it. If it's okay for you.
I had a lot of things to do.
You had a lot of things to do. Oh, that's a bad
So I
news.
have to do it
And
today.
you have to do it today? What about
Yes,
why not on the weekend since you have a lot of time?
because I have to do it today. I have to do it for tomorrow.
Ah, you have to do it for tomorrow. Oh, okay. So that would be so that means if you will do it today, that means you're going to sleep a little late.
Hmm.
Huh? You're going to sleep a little late tonight?
What did you say?
Are you going to sleep a little late tonight?
Really late.
Really late. What time?
Mm, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. I hope you will have a good weekend though. Do you have plans for the weekend?
Mm, I don't have any plan.
You don't have any plans. Okay. Well, as you can see, I'm not at home. Like there, the background is different right now. I'm not at
Mm,
home.
then
Yeah.
where?
I'm in a shop. I'm at my shop right now. Chankaman. I'll show you this one. See, you can see that? The machines behind me? Yeah, those
Yeah.
are the machines. Yeah, those are the machines for water. Like, like you have to buy some water if you want to, like in a gallon, like this.
Well, where's there?
Yeah, like this one. Can you see it? Here. And then
I
you can have it
can't
here.
see it.
Yeah, you can have yeah, we are having that one. So yeah, because there's like a little party here, like it's a little it's the shop's first anniversary, so we have like a lot of visitors around, a lot of food. I ate a lot for dinner actually.
Mm,
Yeah. Anyway, so Evan, do you have any questions for me before going to your book?
did you eat dinner?
I did. I ate a lot of food tonight. In
What did
fact,
you eat?
I'm so full. A lot. I mean, there are some pork, spaghetti, roasted chicken, roasted pork. That's what we call lechon. What else? Some rice cake. We also have our version of a rice cake. Fruits, ice cream. Yeah,
Mm,
Yes, so I ate a lot. But what about you? Did you eat a lot for dinner?
No,
Why not?
mm, I don't know, but I didn't eat a lot.
But you're full.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, that's a good one. As long as you're full and you're in a good shape, that's all right. All right, now let's go to your book now, Evan, because you will have activity, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen now, Evan. Can you see my screen now, Evan?
Yes.
Yes, you can. Thank you. Now, this time you will have this. Do you still remember the words that you have learned last Monday? Do you still remember them? Like the logic, the motive,
Yes.
establish. Do you remember them, right?
Yeah.
And their meanings?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this time you have to read the story, Evan. Then, in your notebook, do you have your notebook there?
Well,
Right, yeah, your notebook and your pencil, or yeah, something that you can write on.
yeah.
Yeah, you have, or scratch paper.
I have
Okay,
it.
you have it. Okay, thank you. Now this time you have to listen. Read the story here. Okay, just a little story right here, and then read, and in your book, write. You have to write 5 sentences. Okay, you have to write 5 sentences about the facts in the story, and you have to use the words establish. Use forms of establish, logic, and motive. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, use these forms. So you have to write 5 facts in the story. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I read it with a sound.
Yeah, you have to write it. You have to read it.
Wait here. Wait a minute.
Okay.
What's
That
in
is
this thing?
on page 88.
88.
Yeah. Tura love, oh. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You have to read first. Go.
Mr. Evil, a jewelry store owner, claims he was robbed of $1 million in jewels. He sued his insurance company when a company refused to pay him for the loss. Mr. Abel said that on rainy winter day, the robber ran into the store carrying a gun and an umbrella. The robber kept the gun pointed at Mr. Abel as they tied up his hands. Then the robber opened the safe in the back room and took all 536 pieces hands. Then the robber opened the safe in the back room and took all relevant jewelry stuff, then them into a suitcase and ran out the door. The insurance company's lawyer had a contrary point of view. He concludes that the details of Mr. Abel's story are technically impossible. The lawyer said that the thief in the store surveillance camera would show what really happened and prove that Mr. Abu is lying. The thief shows the robber entering the store wearing a raincoat and carrying an umbrella, but they are not wet. He is not carrying a suitcase. The tape shows Mr. Abu helping the robber tie his hands. The robber disappears into a back room for just 14 seconds, and then leaves the store carrying a suitcase. The suitcase is too small to hold 536 pieces of jewelry. The robber leaves nearly $20,000 cash in the safe. The lawyer claimed that a friend pretended to rob Mr. Abel for a share of the insurance money. His reason he wanted to get rich quick.
Okay. So I want you to read this word. Can you read this word?
Surveillance.
Yeah, surveillance camera. Do you know that what is surveillance camera?
No.
That's a CCTV. Yeah, surveillance. Yeah, like stores in the surveillance camera that is CCTV. Okay. The lawyer said that the tape in the store surveillance camera would show what really happened and prove that Mr. Abel was lying. Okay. Do you understand the story? Yes, you do?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I will give you the first one. Okay. So here, so you have to write 5 sentences, right, Evan? Yeah, but I will do the first one, okay? So the forms of established, logical, and motive. Okay, so let's have the word establish. Okay. Here, okay. So in this 5 sentences, so let's have here. So since uh we're talking about this one, surveillance camera like this one, right? Okay, so I will make that since that is in the story. So the lawyer, yeah, the lawyer established. Chakaman, chakaman, yo, chakaman. What's wrong? Let me just write it here. Okay. The lawyer established that the details of Mr. Abel's story were what is it? Were impossible. Possible based on the surveillance camera. Of footage. There you go. Okay. So the lawyer established that the details of Mr. Abel's story were impossible based on the surveillance footage. Okay. So that's the first sentence. Okay. All right. Now, so we had the first. Do you understand, Evan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now Do you have questions?
No.
No? Okay. Now then, it's your turn to do it. Okay? I will give you 5 minutes. Okay? Is it that enough for you to do the four sentences?
Mm,
Okay? All right. I will give you 5 minutes to do the four sentences. Okay?
what for?
Yeah, because I already had the first sentence. Because as what I've told you, you have to write 5 sentences that are facts in the story, okay?
Mm,
Okay, so the first one is here. So this is just an example. Okay, now your turn. Go. I will give you 5 minutes to write.
where do I write it?
Right, where do you want to write? You want to write it here or you want to write in the chat box? Or you want to
No.
write in the notebook? Where
Here.
do you want to write? Here?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm,
What is it? What happened to me? What is it? Are you okay?
No, I can't do this.
You cannot do it? Why not? Are you tired?
No, I have no idea.
You have no idea? All right. Can you just have one sentence? Just try to make one sentence. Just facts about the story. Just one sentence. Can you try it?
Okay.
Okay, just try.
Mm.
Pero oh, like,
I can't do it.
let's do it. Is it too
Um,
hard?
I'm keep watching and seeing the letters.
You don't understand this one?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. In this sentence, in this one, you have read the story, right? Do you understand the story, Evan?
No.
No, you don't understand the story?
Yes.
I see. Okay. All right. Now, let's read this one more time. Okay. This time I will read and then you will listen carefully. Okay. And you have to understand. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So listen. Mr. Abel, a jewelry store owner. So Mr. Abel is the store owner. Claims he was robbed. Do you understand the word robbed?
I don't know.
Rob, that means he got steal. Someone's stealing from him. Robbed.
Okay.
Okay, so he said or claims he was robbed of. $1 million in jewels. Do you understand jewels?
Yes.
Yes, okay. He sued his insurance company. What have been sued? Do you understand sued?
I don't even know insurance.
Sued means that he have like in a court. He reported in the court. Sued. Yeah, sued.
Okay.
Okay. So he sued his insurance company when the company refused to pay him for the loss. Do you understand? Refused? Denied. Refused. Okay, refused.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So one more time. He sued his insurance company when the company refused to pay him for the loss because he got robbed, right? So he reported it to the insurance company, but the insurance company didn't pay him. Okay, so Mr. Abel said that one rainy winter day, a robber or the thief ran into the store carrying a gun and an umbrella. The robber kept the gun pointed at Mr. Abel as he tied up his hands. So do you understand this one here?
Is the Mr. able to umbrella?
Okay. Yeah. I mean the it was winter because it was rainy winter day. So the robber was in the jewelry store. The robber was carrying a gun and an umbrella. So the robber kept the gun pointed at Mr. Abel. So the robber was like this. The, for example, this was the gun, okay? At Mr. Abel as he tied up his hands. So Mr. Abel was like this.
Yeah.
And then the thief was like this to Mr. Abel. Okay? Then the robber opened the safe in the back room. So the safe, this one is the vault. Okay? Vault. Okay, where Mr. Abel kept his money. Okay, in the back room and took all 536 pieces of jewelry. So he stuffed them into a suitcase and ran out the door. So the robber put the jewelries into the suitcase. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Now, this time. So that's what happened. So the insurance company's lawyer had a contrary point of view. He concluded that the details of Mr. Abel's story are technically impossible. So the lawyer of the insurance company said, "Oh, I think that's not true. That is impossible." So the lawyer said, okay, so the lawyer said that the tape in the store's surveillance camera would show what really happened and prove that Mr. Abel was lying. Okay? The tape shows the robber entering the store wearing a raincoat and carrying an umbrella. But they are not wet. He is not carrying a suitcase. The tape shows Mr. Abel helping the robber tie his hand. So in the surveillance camera, so there was a tape. So upon as the lawyer were watching the surveillance camera or the CCTV, it shows that Mr. Abel was helping himself to tie. So it feels like uh, the law insurance company's lawyer thought that it was all staged or set up.
Mm.
Yeah, so that's what he thought. So the insurance company's lawyer thought it was all staged or set up. Okay, now here, which will really happen and prove that Mr. Okay. So the tape shows the robber entering the store. So he is wearing a raincoat and carrying an umbrella, but they are not wet. He is not carrying a suitcase. The tape shows Mr. Abel helping the robber tie his hands. The robber disappears into a back room for just 14 seconds, then leaves the store carrying a suitcase. The suitcase is too small to hold the three of the 536 pieces of jewelry. So the robber leaves nearly $20,000 cash in the safe. The lawyer claimed that a friend pretended to rob Mr. Abel for a share of the insurance money. His reason, he wanted to get rich quick. There. Do you understand the story now?
But I still don't understand why he helped Robert.
Because there's the insure do I we talked about insurance company before, right?
Yeah.
Because insurance company uh, help people to get their money once they prove that of their loss, of someone's loss.
Ah.
Yeah, so the insurance company, oh, I will help you to give your money. So that's why Mr. Abel did that. Just like when you have medical insurance. So for example, you were paying for a medical insurance, right? And then once you get into the hospital, you can contact your insurance company. Like, oh, I'm in a hospital. Help me pay my bill. So the insurance company will help you. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So you understand the story now?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Do you have any questions?
I don't have any question.
Okay. So you understood this one. Okay. Now this time you have to just one, since we still have 5 minutes, just one sentence. Okay. Just write one sentence facts in the story using the word establish, logical, or motive. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just one sentence. Come on. Since we still have 5 minutes more.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Mm. Do I use the letter?
What is it?
Do I use this one?
Yeah, just choose one word.
Okay. Mm.
Okay, do you have it now?
Wait a minute. Wait a second.
Okay. Oh, let me-
Hmm. I did it. Oh no. Except this.
Okay, Mr. Abel tried to be rich with a logical reason. Oh, yes. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, so do you understand now the story, Evan?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Do you have any questions about the word established, logical, and motive?
No.
No? Uh, can you tell me what is Mr. Abel's motive?
Motive?
Yeah. What is
Hmm.
Mr. Abel's motive on the about the story?
He's meant to be rich.
Yeah, he wanted to get rich quick.
Yes.
So, yeah, that is his motive. Okay, good job, Evan. Can you give me a high five? Come on, there you go. Okay, I hope you will get some rest, Evan. Okay? All right, I think that's all for tonight since our lesson is over, Evan. Let's go into a night and let's have a good night now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, have a good night. Bye bye for now, Evan. Good night.